What's up, you guys? It's Steve here. This is your unemployment update regarding the unemployment extension of those federal benefits of the FPUC $300 per week boost, PUA, and PEUC, as we now have received word that as of yesterday, there is officially 25 states that have announced they're going to be putting an early end to these benefits. Now, as you guys know, these were expected to go out till September 6th as of the American Rescue Plan signed into law by President Joe Biden on March 14th of 2021. Well, now these states are saying they want to get their people back to work because they're saying that this is not incentivizing people to get back out and get jobs and help bolster the economy once again. So now we have 25 states. In today's video, I'm going to be letting you know the new state that has announced it, give you all the details, and also run through all of the states and when they're going to be ending early these benefits. So we're going to dive right in. I'm going to get you caught up on the latest as of today, June 2nd, 2021. But before we dive in, if you could do me a quick favor, just takes a second. If you appreciate these updates, don't forget to smash the like button, leave your comments, share this video out on social media platforms. Those simple gestures just take a second and they really help me out a lot. Thank you so much. And if this is your first time here and you like to stay up to date on all these topics, don't forget to take a second to smash the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. If you got any specific questions you want to send directly to me, Instagram at SteveRam3 is the best way to do so. And if you want to see what stocks or cryptos I'm trading in real time, don't forget to join that Patreon group as well. But with that being said, you guys, let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm going to get you caught up on the latest on the 25 states that have announced they're going to be ending early federal benefits of PUA, PEUC, and the $300 per week boost. All right, so we're going to be diving into this article here in just a second, but first wanted to mention two things for you guys. And the first is, if you missed yesterday's video, be sure to check it out, as today is going to be a big day for the negotiations for the next stimulus package. Today, Shelley Capito, the GOP leader, is going to be meeting with President Joe Biden to see if they can come together and have a bipartisan agreement on the next stimulus package, that infrastructure package. Now, if they can do that, we'll see what unfolds. I'll share it here on the channel, but if they cannot, and they cannot do so by this week, we're hearing Democratic leaders say they're prepared to move on without them and once again use the process of reconciliation. So I'll keep you up to date on that. We're likely going to be hearing a lot on that this week. And second is there's a rumor going around right now, and I haven't been reporting on it because I can't prove that it's factual, and I never want to give you guys anything if I can't share with you data sources, that you can look up your $10,200 refund date using the IRS transcripts when you request it. Now, like I said, I haven't heard anything from the IRS on this. I haven't seen any news reports, and there's a rumor going around that a new massive wave of those refunds are going to be released tomorrow. So be sure to let me know here on the channel if you see that or not. But once again, it's just the rumor mill. I might release a short video sharing the rumor, but never want to give you guys any nothing that I can prove, and so I always want to keep it factual and not get anybody's hopes up. But those are two things I wanted to mention. But with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into this article. All right, so the 25th state that has announced it's going to be ending early the federal benefits. Here's an article that says Governor Hogan announces that Maryland will discontinue enhanced pandemic unemployment benefits. And it says, Governor Larry Hogan announced that Maryland plans to soon discontinue the enhanced pandemic federal unemployment benefits and will restore work search requirements. The benefits will be discontinued effective Saturday, July the 3rd, according to the governor, and comes as the state leader says economic recovery in the state continues. And it says, our health and economic recovery continues to outpace the nation, and we have reached the benchmark set by President Joe Biden on vaccinating 70% of adults. While these federal programs provided important temporary relief, vaccines and jobs are now in good supply. And we have a critical problem where businesses across the state are trying to hire more people, but many are facing severe work shortages. After 12 consecutive months of job growth, we look forward to getting more Marylanders back to work. Now, according to Hogan, 24 states have announced plans to discontinue the enhanced federal unemployment benefits. This comes as the U.S. Department of Labor data reports that there are 8.1 million current job openings across the country. Now, the discontinuance of benefits includes the following, according to the governor's office. So this is not just going to be the end of the boost. Take a look. It's going to be all federal benefits. This is going to be federal unemployment compensation for the $300 per week boost, MEUC, mixed earners unemployment compensation, that adds an additional $100 per week on top of that $300. PEUC is going to be ending as well, which provides an extension of your unemployment benefits when they expire, and PUA for those who normally don't qualify, like the self-employed or gig workers. This is going to be ending for you as well. So if you're in any of those categories in the state of Maryland, please start making preparations now. You have about 1 month left of benefits. Now it says applicants will no longer be able to apply for federal programs after the end of July 3rd. The Department of Labor says it will make sure applicants receive all payments owed to them for the weeks before July 3rd's deadline. Starting July 4th, those receiving the benefits will need to engage in 3 reemployment activities each week, which might include submitting job applications through Maryland Workforce Exchange, participating in finishing a workshop at an American Job Center, etc., according to the governor's office. As our state continues to make great progress in its economic recovery, employers are successfully reopening for business and creating job opportunities, said Labor Secretary Tiffany Robinson. Now, our team is available to connect job seekers with a wide variety of training programs and resources. They can find meaningful employment and return to the workforce. So you guys, that is the latest on the 25th state that has announced they're going to be putting an early end to these federal benefits. But now, let's go ahead and take a look at the 24 previous states that have announced the early end and when they're going to be ending these federal benefits. So I'm going to go through the list for you guys and let you know. And once again, if I do not read off your state, then they are likely going to be carrying this out till the September 6th deadline, unless we hear of another state that's going to be ending early. So let's take a look right now. The list starts off with Alabama ending June 19th. Alaska, June 12th, Arizona, July 10th, Arkansas, June 26th, Florida, June 26th, Georgia, June 26th, Idaho, June 19th, Indiana, July 19th, Iowa, June 12th, Mississippi, June 12th, Missouri, June 12th, Montana, June 27th, Nebraska, June 19th, New Hampshire, June 19th, North Dakota, June 19th, Ohio, June 26th, Oklahoma, June 26th, South Carolina, June 30th, South Dakota, June 26th, Tennessee, July 3rd, Texas, June 26th, Utah, June 26th, West Virginia, June 19th, and Wyoming, June 19th, and also add to the list, Maryland, July 3rd. Now, once again, a lot of these states are not only going to be ending the boost, but also PUA and PEUC. But that's not the case for all states, so be sure to look up your state and see which federal benefits are going to be coming to an end. Is it going to be all of them or just the boost? So, you guys, that is the latest. I'll be sure to keep you up to date as more information rolls out. And once again, today, we're going to be hearing more on the stimulus package negotiations for federal level provisions. Right now, the American Families Plan and the American Jobs Plan proposes extending out the child tax credit for another 4 years, providing free college tuition, free childcare. I'll keep you guys up to date as negotiations unfold. And also, that rumor mill going around about the $10,200, I'll keep you up to date. Let me know in the comments if by chance you get that refund tomorrow. So with that being said, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was informative. I'll keep you up to date. If you made it this far and you haven't already, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date. Follow me on Instagram at SteveRam3 and join the Patreon group to see what trades I'm doing in crypto and stocks. And with that being said, you guys, I hope this reaches you well. I'll be sure to catch you in the next video. Take care. God bless. This is Steve.